It's Philly. On this tutorial, I will show you how to load a Amazon Firestick 4K in less than 5 minutes. On this channel, I do things a little different here. Let's take it to the table. I have the Amazon Firestick 4K, the adapter, and I have this VidPine video capture card. They've been around the streaming community for a while. I gripped a couple of them a little while ago. Pretty good. 2.0 though, you can get 1080p at 30. If you're a gamer, this is not for you. It's not 3.0. But the reason why I got this, so we can monitor the application installation of the Amazon Fire Stick 4K. Let's set this up. I got my 4-port hub here. Take the capture card, plug it in, turn the port on. Turn the other one on. Turn the port on. Plug it in there. And let Windows find it. Drivers for it. I have the Amazon Fire Stick. And plug that into the capture card. I'm going to take the adapter. I don't need that. Amazon Fire Stick don't take much power. I'm going to plug it into a USB port on this 4-port hub. Now that we have that connected, let's take it to the desktop. Here's my desktop. We got OBS right here. We're going to use this app to monitor the installation of the Amazon Fire Stick APKs that we'll be putting on this. And find out what that VidPine $5 capture card can do. Let's set it up. We got OBS there. Amazon 4K Fire Stick into the video card of the USB 4-port hub, and it's being powered by the other port. We're in OBS right here. As you see, I got a test PCD test because you always got to have at least one scene in there. I'm going to add another scene. I'm going to call it, excuse me, VidPine card. Okay. Now that I got a scene in there, I need a source. I need what kind of source? I need a video capture source. I'm going to call that USB card. There's my Brio. But in the list here, I got USB video. Okay, it showed up. And there it is. The Amazon 4K Fire Stick going through the video card in the OBS software. So everything else is connected here. It's working good so far. We got that installation. Round 1 done. Guys, I'm going to close that. Guys, to get some applications, APKs, on this Amazon Fire Stick without using downloader or file. Yeah, we got to use FileLink. You can install and download APKs. You can download APKs in the Windows environment, which we are now, Windows 10. But you can't install them. So I need to go get some APKs from another environment. I need an Android environment. Let me go restart my computer and see what happened. Restart my computer, and guys, you will still hear my voice, but the screen is restarting. You won't see the actual screen come back, but you will hear my voice. And there we are finally. We're going to boot to a different environment. As you see, I got Windows Manager on that M.2. Windows Boot Manager on that M.2 512. First one is Samsung. We got Phoenix OS. And we got Prime. I'm going to boot to Phoenix OS. As you see, we got some options here. Back to Windows or Phoenix OS. Let's go into Phoenix OS so we can get some applications to install on our Amazon Fire Stick 4K. And there's Phoenix loading up. And that's the default lab. That's the default wallpaper desktop. Guys, this is a nice environment. My mouse is not showing up. Let's try the hub. And there we are. There's no storage connected to it. Guys, go to the menu here. Got some apps on here. We need FileLink. We are inside the Prime OS operating system, which is running about Android Nougat. Let's go get some files. I select file load there. There's that pop-up. Y'all know that code there. It's very familiar in the community. It's a gentleman, high-powered content creator, the legendary SuperDell Tv Filelinked Store. Good dude. Very knowledgeable. Let's go get some APKs, guys. Let me continue. And there's that other pop-up. I'm going to dismiss it. And as you see, there's about 17 APKs in here. They're pretty nice. Let's get some apps to put on the Amazon Fire Stick 4K. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. done. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. They all done. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now that we have all the APKs, I'm going to close the app out. I got my computer on the desktop here. I'm going to go in there, and where are these APKs at? That's the Android system. That's the main storage. And what's that on local 1? Let's find out. Let's go to main storage. Downloads, file link. And there go the APKs, guys. What I'm going to do is highlight one, select all, and I'm going to copy them. I'm going to go back 1, 2, 3. Local disk 1. This is my Windows C hard drive. We got to get some APKs, but I want them in the Windows environment, and the way to get them there, get at Philly, downloads. I'm going to make a folder. Let me rename it. SD Philly APKs. SB TV. The legendary SuperDell TV. We got a folder there, and I'm going to paste them in here. Now we got the APKs inside the Windows C drive. Let's boot back to Windows 10. I'm at the power button. I restart. And let's go back to the Windows environment and get this done. Install APKs, 18 of them, on the Amazon Firestick, less than 5 minutes. It's Philly. I do things a little different over here. It's about options. It's about solutions to get things done. That's all. Though mine is a terrible thing to waste. Waiting for my computer to restart. And there we are. At the interface, I'm going to boot back into Windows. It's a great motherboard. Tough gaming. ASUS. My capture card blowing up saying like, yo, Philly, cheaper than one environment. Let's log in. Philly Gillens. Guys, we are back at the Windows 10 environment. Let's open up OBS. And there's the Amazon Fire Stick. That's on there. being captured by the video card. Amazon Firestick going into it. And it's being powered by the same hub. It's getting fall. I got this single little fly that I ain't trying to play, being all the videos. Let's minimize this. Now guys, I'd like to say shout out to high-powered content creators, because the community has been slow. Everybody talking about technology in the streaming game, but ain't nobody pushing our content. How many times can you go live in one day? I'm just going to fall back and stay in my lane. As I was saying, I'd like to say a shout out to the one and only Tech Doctor from the UK. And my man Triple M. They've been putting some work in. Also Peter C. You'll be getting it in also. The guys on the desktop here, I got this zip file from the Tech Doctor. TechDoctorUk batch installer. And this app is pretty nice. Let's unzip it. I'm extract it right to the same folder. And there it is. That's what you have there. Got some dill files, ADB, and the actual Windows batch file. I click on it. TechDoctorUk. Welcome to the Tech Doctor APK installer. Enter the, let me say this again, enter the target device IP address, then press enter. I'm going to close that. I'm going to open up OBS. My remote's acting funky. I'm going to close the port. And I'm going to restart it. See what happened. I'm going to activate it. Deactivate it, excuse me. And activate it. And there's the Amazon Fire Stick. Let that load up, guys, so we can monitor the installation of these apps. You at the home screen there. I'm going to settings, applications, manage applications. No apps on there. Didn't mean that. There we are, guys. Let's take it to the home screen. Guys, we got them batch installer here. I need the IP address of the Amazon Fire Stick 4K. And there we are. Trying to act crazy on me. settings. Let's go over to my file and get this IP address. Go to about. There's an update there. That's why it's probably acting funky. But there's a network. And the IP address is 10.0.0.7. Let's take it to the home screen. This card is not hanging. Here we are at the home screen. Card done dropped twice. USB capture card. But guys, earlier we went into the Phoenix OS environment to go get some APKs with FileLink. Where are they? That's my PC. 4 M.2s. One is partitioned for Phoenix OS. But I'm going to my download folder. And there they are. SDTV Philly APK, the collaboration apps. I'm going to right click. I'm going to copy it. I'm going to take it to the desktop and paste it. And there they are. Guys, I'm going to open up the TechDoctor's UK batch installer. There's the APKs. I'm going to open them up. I'm going to highlight one and select all. I'm going to drag them over to the TechDoctor's batch installer folder. Drop them. Now that I had APKs in there, I'm going to select the batch installer and highlight it. Again, enter the target device IP address, then press enter. It was 10.0.0.7. And I said we're going to install these apps less than 5 minutes, correct? Guys, I got a little timer here. I'm going to bring it down. I'm going to set it right there. Guys, I'm going to hit enter over here in the TechDoctor's batch installer. And then I'm going to hit the timer. Got the mouse in there. It's connecting to the Firestick. Damium not running, starting. And as you see, list of devices attached. Bring this down a little bit more. It says press enter. Press any key to continue. I'm going to press enter. And there we are. We see the first app going in. And I'm going to hit the start of the speed of the time clock. And as you see, guys, the applications are going in there. Automated. They're installing themselves. As you see, Analytics, BTV, Cinema HD, Kodi, File Explorer Pro, MV Cast Player. We are at 32 seconds. There's MX Player. There's Nova TV going in. There's Send Anywhere. APK. SPMC. Titanium TV. We're at 1 minute and 12 seconds. And Philly said less than 5 minutes, correct? There's Typhoon, APK. I'm going to move this to the side. This card is dropping. I'm going to deactivate it. Activate it again. And you see right there, there's Viva going in. The next app should be VLC. See it right there? And it says it's finished. What was the last app? I'm waiting for Watch to show up over here. And there's Watch, ladies and gentlemen of the community. As soon as it disappears, I'll stop the clock. And we got it up for 2 minutes and 16 seconds. It says it disconnected from 10.0.0.7. Disconnected. Press any key to continue. Put the mouse in there, and it's gone. Guys, you see that right there? 2 minutes and 16 seconds. 2 minutes and 17 seconds. Let's open up the Amazon Firestick. Capture card, keep dropping the signal. Got to keep reactivating it. Go to home screen. Go to settings, notifications, to applications, manage applications. What do you think, community, YouTubers, resellers? 2 minutes and 17 seconds. Amazon, uh-oh. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17 apps, people, installed on your Amazon Fire Stick. 2 minutes and 17 seconds. Let's take it home. Let's go to apps. There they are, people. Three, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Set orientation, 17. Guys, of the streaming community, it's about options, solutions. It's been Philly Cable Dave, and like I say, I don't let Android do me, I do Android. If you like my video, please like, subscribe, and share. And give me some feedback. I love your feedback, guys. If any way I can make this content pushing out and tutorials better, please let me know. Also, much love, respect out to the Tech Doctor of the UK and the one and only Triple M. And my main man, we go at it sometime, but that's my dude, the legendary SuperDell, CEO of the DST team, for letting me borrow his APKs that's in his Filelinked Store. Guys, have a blessed evening. Most of all, stay safe out there. It's the pandemic, and like I always say, keep your network tight. Anybody trying to holler at you that's not in your immediately network, tell them to get at you virtually. StreamYards, Google Meets, FaceTime. Keep it tight, people. It's been Philly Cable Dave. Have a blessed one. Peace. Come on, community. Step your game up. Push some content out. Stop talking about it. Let me know what you really know. Peace.